Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to enable or disable app drawer. In the beginning, tap and hold on free space on the screen and go to settings. Go to more, enter home screen and select with app drawer to enable this function. As you can see right now, the app drawer is enabled. If you want to disable it, again go to settings, enter home screen, again home screen and select classic. Now app drawer is disabled. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.